Wanted to go to the gym and go gooms. But you know what happened? My phone obviously did not synchronize. And I opened the playlist and there was nothing. It's like when I open the fridge at the end of the month, nothing. So what must I do? Yeah? There was absolutely nothing. I don't know what this the next thing. I'm looking for the music for days. For days, I can't find nothing, blah. I can't find this. Give me my seatbelt, Yasini. I'm irritated, man. Just give me my things. I don't know what to do, man. Oh, Jesus. I'm reversing the wrong way now because I'm making mistakes. I'm so upset. I'm looking for my iTunes, my playlist. There was nothing there. I could not gym properly because my music was not there. I thought I synchronized properly. I'm actually going the completely wrong way. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna get this Australia. I'm gonna get a massive fine. I already got a $300 of fine for not wearing my seatbelt. Now I need to make sure I'm wearing this thing. And I put my playlist and there was nothing, man. I don't know. I'm upset. I'm upset. Yay! Why? Stupid fucking technology. Stupid technology. I don't like to swear, but yay! No, I'm gonna go run away from my problems now because I got no time for this. I spent hours, even minutes and days looking for the best music for today's gym session. And it did not synchronize. Yay! Futsek! Why it must not synchronize? It's not that hard for technology to pay attention. Now I can't even afford to pay attention. Hey, put your indicators! Yay! Ooh, Lulu. I think I must just go drown. I'm upset! Very upset! iPod, iMac, everything. Nothing works. The technology. I want to go back to the days when I use a cassette player. I put the Walkman, and if that song doesn't play, I fuck a pencil, baba, and I just twist it until it rectifies itself. What else is it? Unjani? Unjani? Hey, and this Tamazan, she comes and squats in front of me with that assets, and I'm like, yo, sweetie, come closer. Hey, my brother, squeeze the bum cheek, yo. Hey, pre-workout got me feeling frisk. Indicators, what's wrong with you Australians? Futsek! Yay! I've lost the plot. Somebody give me some sugar and liquor before I lose my temp. Actually, I probably already have lost my temp.